Hi, here I am going to create SharePoint Server 2019 virtual machine. For this, I am going to use SharePoint Server 2019 Azure virtual machine, Azure image. Okay, for this I am going to create virtual machines. Here I add virtual machines. Here I choose the resource group. Let's browse all the images. Here SharePoint Server 2019 trial, so I choose this. Okay, here I put name. I choose location as east to west. Okay, I leave it as size. So create a username. Here I am not configuring any inbound ports now, so I don't have any Windows license, so I just click no. Just click review and create. Validation passed now. So here details of my machine. Okay, these are the other thing. So I am going to click create. So now virtual machine creating. Here your deployment is underway, so the deployment is going on with the virtual machines, so we wait for some time. Yes, here our virtual machines are created. Okay, just click go to resource. Here I am going to connect this machine through RDP. So for this I download the RDP file. This is RDP file, so I download the RDP file. So my RDP file should download. So I just open this. Just click connect. It's initiating remote connection. Something wrong, I thought it's not connecting. Oh, okay. Do you assume what's the getting problem? Yes, this is because of some firewall rules we need to enable, because we are not open the port 3389. This port is used for remote desktop connection. We are going to open this port now. For this, we are going to create networking. Here, add inbound rules. Here choose any 3389. I already have documented regarding in www.linkedin.com, so we can refer those as well. So here 3389 for priority 320. Just change the port name. Just click on add. Now the security role creating. Right. Yes. Now security role successfully added. Now again I try to connect remote desktop. So download file already in my download section. I just click connect. Yes, it is asking password, username and password. I just put. So now just click OK. Yes. Now my remote machine going to connect. But the server now have only SharePoint server image, does not having any Active Directory configuration, does not have any SQL server, so we need to attach them as well. So we are going to use this machine as a development machine. So this way everything I created is a single file. Okay, let's see. So first I'm going to configure Active Directory. For this I just going to add roles and features. Okay, so that's a mirror. So we wait for some times. Yeah, just put next. So role based features, say choose 2019 virtual machine 1. So Active Directory domain services. Okay, role Active domain services. Okay, again we verify Directory domain services X. Add features. Now click next. And click next. I just do the restart destination server, automatically required. So just click this. just hit yes. So I'm going to install this. Yes, now installing Active Directory domain services. Now Active Directory installed, completed. So just click on close. If installation is restore required, it will automatically restore, but now it's not required, that's why not restarting. So we are going to configure our Active Directory. Here, so this is a single server PAM. So here I just add a new forest. Root domain name, I just call it as a SPVM1 SPVM. Okay, yes, it's getting error. Why it's getting error is yes, that means I am not put something .com, so something local, something I need to put dot, so that's why it's getting error. So I put there just put mookilganivm.com. Just click next. Okay, it's Windows Server 2016, so it's coming. Domain name system is everything coming. So here I'm going to create password. After giving a password, just click on next. No, I am not getting a delegation, so click next. Here the date name automatically came, so just click next. So it's database folder, log files folder, everything. If you want, you can change. So here I will use as a default. Here's the review options, so just reviewing everything. Okay, so verifying prerequisites for domain controller operations. Here we are using a development machine, so we are using mainly it's getting some warnings because SharePoint Server, SQL and domain controller in same machine, so it's getting some warning. So we can leave it that warning, that is not issue for a development machine, so just leave it. So wait for some times. Yes, here prerequisite completed. Okay, here some warnings came, so this warning we can leave it now, so it's not important now. So we can able to check delegation of the DNS server cannot be created because the author parent zone cannot be found. This kind of error came. So if we not creating existing DNS, that's when we need to create delegation, but now don't need. Okay, all click. So click install being installation. So I can just put installation. Yes. Now installation starting. Okay, waiting for DNS installation to finish. So some warnings came. So configuring, so everything is creating CNDN, CNDC. So yes, now asking your computer to be signed out, the computer being restarted because the active domain services was installed or removed. Okay, it's automatically restarting. Yes, now I'm going to connect remote with domain controller username. Just click connect. So I am just using another account here. I just type your domain name and the username and password. Just click OK. Yes, it was connecting. SP2013 virtual machine 1. That's mooglegandivm.com. It's a domain name. It's a domain name. Okay, I just click as. It's configuring remote session now. Next, we are going to install SQL Server 2000. So we wait for some time. It's taking some more time. So because of initially configuring Azure, the first time login. Now successfully login into the server using domain account. So here you can able to see this domain account name Chambutilgani. So we can able to see the properties. Here this is a full computer name, this is a domain name. Okay, so now we are going to install SQL Server 2017 Developer Edition. So there is no need license for Developer Edition. So I am going to install SQL Server 2017 Developer Edition for SharePoint configuration. Okay, so for this I am going to download SQL Server 2017. Here download SQL Server. So I choose download full trial. Here I am going to developer edition. So I run this. After downloading, it's not running. So here I am going to basic installation. Okay. Answer. So default location. Install. It's now downloading and installing the package. Yes, now installation completed successfully. Okay, now this is a connection thing for SQL servers. Okay, install SQL Server Management Studio as well. Okay, I just click on install. It's going to go, and so we need to download SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to download here. Run. While downloading, so after downloading, we install that. So just for our verification, so I how install the SQL Server. So I try to connect using SQL Server Management Studio. So after that, we need to configure SharePoint configuration visual. Okay, after installation. So that's we will see the next. Okay, so now click install. Here that SQL administrator is Mughal. So I will check SQL Management Studio status. Okay, here restart required. So we restart the server now. Now I'm going to open SQL Server Management Studio. I could connect. Yes, my databases are loading here. Okay, now we are going to configure SharePoint configuration short. Here SharePoint product configuration we shot. After run, SharePoint 2019 will be configured. Okay, I'm going to run as administrator. create a new server farm. Okay, database server. Okay, we can get this name here, properties, this SharePoint server name, the same 32,000 same server, so we can put here. Okay, username with the domain name. We need to give username as a domain name. Okay, I just slash password, right? I just click next. So this password we can connect, we can use for future reference. So like a multi-server farm config, the kind of stuff we can able to use. So that's why I made some password. Something missing in the passwords. Okay, check. Okay, next. Now I just use specific rule, single server farm. Okay, click next. So specify the port number, so I can leave it as a 42948. Okay, so authentication method is still leave it as a NTLM authentication. Click next. Now creating configuration database. So configuration start running. Here finalizing the SharePoint product configuration we shot. So after the SharePoint successfully configured, so we can start our development. Wait, you can see it's starting a finishing stage. Yes, it's configured now. Okay, just click on finish. SharePoint server going to open. Okay, the default admin configuration will open, so we can cancel, so we can configure everything manually by later. So see, closely click. Some time. Yes, so working on it. Okay, so if you participate, no, I'm not, I don't want to participate. Okay, so now I will configure everything myself. I just click on yes. Now configure SharePoint 2019 successfully. Okay, we go to application management. So you can check web application. Yes, there is web application created for portion administration. So now we can create. I'm going to create SharePoint web application for port 80. So, okay. So I go to the default SharePoint port 80. So everything is leave it is the same. Okay. Application code is a port 80. leave it. The business content is the same thing. Okay, I just click OK. Now create new obligation for port 80. Take now, it will complete quickly. Yes, now the public is created successfully, so just click OK. Now we are going to create new circulation under the port 80. Okay, I am going to create circulation. Let's just call it as a root. Sorry. Just a team site. So I just create site under the root. So here I add the user. That we created the we configured the active directory in the same server, so you can create multiple users under the active directory. So here I am not created it, so that's why I use the same username here. So click OK. Now new site collection going to create under the root. Take some more time. So working on it. Now the circulation successfully created. Okay, open the circulation now. First time, so taking some more time load. Yes, now it's opening. The home page going to open. Yes, the new look and feel come. The same our SharePoint online environment. Okay, so now SharePoint 2019 configured successfully. So you can install your Visual Studio Community or Visual Studio Enterprise. You can start your development under the SharePoint 2019 server. Okay, thank you very much. If you want further detail, you can check mooglecandy.com. Thank you.